Hi everybody, happy Monday. I have received my first order of the 2018 Holiday Christmas Catalogue, and I've got some lovely new products to share with you. So the first thing I want to show you is this new stamp set, Merry Christmas to All. So we've got quite a few different sentiments on this. Christmas, merry, happy, holidays, and then I love this one. May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy. So that one's in a big, we have a look here. It's quite a reasonable size sentiment there. And with the others, it's a kind of a mix and match set. So you could do Christmas cheer or Christmas wishes, depending on what you would like it to say. There's also a matching set of thinlits that you can purchase as a bundle with this. And here we've got Christmas, holidays, merry and happy, and then a couple of little tabs which will fit quite perfectly these smaller sentiments, or you can use them with any of your other items that you have. And the other thing I really like about this one is also this swirl. I love swirls anyway. A bit of a swirl, sucker for a swirl. And I'm thinking I might use the swirls with just birthday cards and things like that, not just Christmas. Anyway, that's part of my plan. Okay, the next set that I've purchased early is Peaceful Noel. So with this one we've got a few different sentiments. Noel, may your Christmas be holly, jolly and bright. Merry little Christmas, fill the season with happiness. I like the fonts in this one, and also a lot of these images of berries and whatnot, and nice splodges and just other little images, so I can make up my own idea of what I'm doing. Hi Bobby. Okay, the last set that I've bought so far is So Santa. So for me, I wanted some serious sets, and I also wanted something fun. So I thought this one would be, you know, just a bit of fun for those people in our life that, you know, a little bit more comical than serious at Christmas. Would also make really great Christmas cards with the Santa images. So we've got Santa cooking, Santa surfing, and Santa on a scooter, which is pretty cool. So that'll make some fun cards. Now there's another one I want to share with you. It's called Chicken Wire Elements. So for this one, we have a whole bunch of these. Oh, there's actually quite a lot there. A whole bunch of these. And what we can do is we can cut them up and just have layers and then sentiments and have bits poking out. So I'll be able to get heaps and heaps of cards using this. What else have I got to show you? I've got a punch. Can't remember what they called this one. But I can see antlers and all sorts of things being used for this. Glimmer paper. So this is the Joyous Noel glimmer paper, and it comes in, it's got 3 different Christmas colours, and they come in a pack of 6x6, and they're just absolutely stunning. I can't wait to play with those ones. Okay, another thing I found that I quite liked in the Holiday Catalogue are these ones, which are the gold foil edged cards and envelopes. Now for these, they actually come also in silver, so you've got a choice between silver or gold. And I decided I would use the gold. In a lot of my Christmas cards, I like to have a bit of bling, whether it's foil paper or glimmer paper, something just to make it a little bit special. Which is why I thought this would be really, really cute. So this gives me the touch of gold foil without actually having to... Hi Cheryl! This gives us a touch of foil without actually having to use a whole sheet of foil. So that's all we do. We just simply fold these in half, and then we dress our card up from there. And then we got this gorgeous matching envelope. So it's white on the front side, and it has a touch of gold or silver depending on which one you buy on the back. What else have we got for you? Okay, another thing I really, really loved is this reversible ribbon. I'm not sure whether you're going to be able to see it very well, but it's actually got a copper shimmer one side and Merry Merlot the other side. It's absolutely stunning. So it's a reversible ribbon, and it's really gorgeous, and it's nice and it's soft, and I'm going to be able to tie it quite easily or just wrap it around just to give a bit of accent. What else have we got? So far I've only got one pack of the DSP from the new Holiday Catalogue. Now the new Holiday Catalogue goes live on the, looking for the date, on the 5th of September. So demonstrators are actually able to pre-order products early. So if you're a demonstrator, you may already have yours. If you're a customer, you need to wait until the 5th of September. So if anyone's out there watching that is in Australia and doesn't already have a demonstrator or is one of my customers, just send me a message and I will get a catalogue out to you as soon as I can. My catalogues have just arrived, so I'm looking forward to getting them into the hands of my customers. Okay, so the designer paper pack that I chose to get was the Joyous Noel Specialty Designer Series paper. So it's part of the same suite as the, try and find it here, as the Peaceful Noel set. But you can use it with anything. So what we've got here is each sheet of paper has some copper on it, one side, and then we've got a non-foil design the other side. I just think this one is absolutely stunning. Obviously, which is why I've chosen it. Now, the matching colours for this is Grey Granite, Merry Merlot, Sahara Sand, Soft Suede, Tranquil Tide and Whisper White. So the Merry Merlot, this one's upside down, the reindeer. The Merry Merlot reversible ribbon is going to look absolutely stunning with this. I've tried to keep my order down this time and making sure that I've got things that are matching, which is why I've bought a whole heap of things from the same suite. and that way I know it's all going to go together quite nicely. There we go together. So we've got some more plain colours, and then we've got our Christmas images. Now this would work with wedding cards, birthday cards, you know, the works. A lot of leafy images in that one, which goes with the Noel. Now the other thing I got was I got some shimmer paint. Now, I've been told that Stampin' Up used to carry this. I've been with Stampin' Up now for 5 years, and it was before my time, don't know how much before. But in the new catalogue there's, I think it might be 4 different colours of shimmer paint, and I've chosen to get Champagne Mist. So I can't wait to play with that. You can stamp with this, you can put it in a spritz bottle with some alcohol, and you can just get a bit of a shimmery mist over your project, which is something I'd really love to try. I haven't done a big Google search on this to find out what else we can do, but looking forward to playing with that. Now everything else I've got is, I've got foil papers and things like that I needed to stock up on ready to make my Christmas cards. And the last thing I want to show you is a new tool that they've got in the catalogue, which is called Take Your Pick. So it comes in a box. Watch me make this come out the wrong way. And so this is our tool. Mine's come out a bit, but here is a sticky substance, and what it's meant for is picking up sequins and popping them down into spots on your card. So before I was using tweezers or my fingers, and now I'll have a tool for it, which I'm pretty excited about. Now this end, I've got a bit of a pointy tool, so that'd be a pokey tool. And if I unlock it and pull it out, I can reverse it like this and lock it again, and I've got a bit of a spatula. And then if I grab this tool, I have a scorer, and we've got a smaller end here and a bigger end here, and it just goes into the same place, and you click it in and you lock it. Not sure if you can see that, but there's lock and unlock. So to unlock it, pull it out, pop it back in, lock it again, and I put my cap on. And you also get a spare one of these ends for picking things up. So haven't played with it yet, so I wouldn't say an expert in any way, shape or form, but can't wait to get playing with that. I think that's about it for me. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Monday, and I will talk to you soon.